Hello friend, today we are studying the setting of aquarium, BSc 3rd year, paper number 14, unit number 1st. Myself is Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, Science College, Nanded. Aquarium. Aquarium may be defined as a vessel that held the water and support the aquatic life. In a more restricted sense, it means a rectangular vessel with a glass slide or a glass-like transparent slide suitable stock with growing plants and fishes. The preparation of a setting of aquarium is the process by which the aquarium will be ready to support the aquatic life and will be looking good at a sight. Preparation of aquarium involves the two virtues that are few as of us possess care and patience. Step of setting of aquarium, program and planning. A proverb goes on, well planned, half work done. Is the program of aquarium preparation include where and why the aquarium should be constructed. It also include a size, shape, type of aquarium. The size is constructed on the available space for an aquarium. The shape preferred for an aquarium is a rectangular or a square with a low depth or round jar shape. Stand for an aquarium. The first requirement of stand on which they place the aquarium. Stand should not be too light to carry the weight and should not be too heavy, which will involve the more cost and inconvenience of displacement. Various type of plastic, metallic or wooden frame can be used. The frame should be strong enough to withstand the weight of filled in aquarium. This is a aquarium stand and step in setting of aquarium. Collection of aquarium. The aquarium can be collected either by buying or self-making. Making of aquarium tank. Firstly, think the size of the tank as a glass thickness. Depends upon the size, length of aquarium is the deciding factor. It must be twice the depth while the height is equal to the depth. This is a chart that showing the size of a planes of a glass require and glass thickness and water capacity and the number of fishes can be kept. The glass sheet cut according to the tank size. The edges should be even by the filling with a wet fine edge and sandpaper and sandstone. Clean the edges. This is the length. This figure show the place base glass on a flat surface and a thick piece of adhesive tapes on all the four sides. Make a glue line of a silicone gum on the edge that will be held glass plane to the base. Join the back glass the base on this glue line. Stick the flying adhesive tape on the side of the glass plane. Provide a weight for a outside giving support it. Join the front glass in the last. Extra care should be taken to seal the corners. Leave the tank to the air least 2 to 3 days. To a thick allow it to stand water overnight. Plastic and or metal may be glued with a silicone gum to strength glass corner. Washing of aquarium. Then aquarium should be washed by adding a light salt solution. We can also find sand to remove a dry substance on a glass. Then wash it with a salt water. Then add warm water and run the piece of a cloth over a surface and remove the water. leaving the aquarium. This is a This can be checked by the adding small water in an aquarium. In a necessary, the aquarium should keep level by using a silicone of a crock, slice of a crock or soft material underneath the aquarium where it is necessary. Position of an aquarium: 2 or 3 feet away from the window that face north, then east or west. Too much direct sunlight is undesirable. To avoid the undesirable sunlight, the side of aquarium can be placed or can be covered with a sheet of paper. Should can be wise to place in valuable or and highly polished furniture can be there is always have a chance of a spill. Planting media. Planting media must be chosen with some care since it play large part in determining the pH. Of course, the plant needs nutrient. For a planting media, layer of loam, then sand and gravel layer are recommended by some aquarists. Then add a gravel in a tank before that it should be washed thoroughly. The depth of the well-washed coarse sand required to 3 inches at the back, support to the inch at the front, help of a spawning. Rock work. Well designed and carefully laid rock enhance the appearance of aquarium. Limestone, marbles, other calcareous stone are to be avoided as these alter the pH of water. Water-borne sandstone can be suitably used. The stone should be well scraped to reduce the spiny edges. The stone should be soaked for a few days. The stone should be not very large amount to overlap the beauty of fish. Color of stone can be used, but no artificial color is allowed in aquarium. Heating and cooling. We can apply a heat to the aquarium by the electric immersion heater with a thermostatic capacity. The thermometer can be added to the aquarium to read the actual water temperature. Water supply and water quality. The physical and chemical parameter of the water should be suitable. The water should be slightly basic, pH is 7.4. Temperature 20 degrees Celsius plus 1 degree Celsius specific for a species. Alkalinity medium, hard or hard. Oxygen saturation point or at least 5 ppm. Chlorination is done in a tap water. Small heating suggested. Tube well water and water from river, reservoir, lake also use. For the tube, well water is the better for keeping kept overnight in an open space in an earthen ditch. Water from the different sources can be filtered through the fine sand and a charcoal. Aquarium filling. A piece of a thick plastic paper is placed on the bottom of the container and is stand on it. The water is then swept into a container with the pipe. The container and paper should be at the base. Plants and planting. Generally, the submerged and rarely floating plant are used in aquarium. The should be washed thoroughly by warm or cold water. Potassium permanganate solution can be used for washing. It is better for a planting after filling by the water. This is a planting method. Introducing the fishes. 5 to 7 days after the plantation, the aquarium should be clean and plants show the sign of growth. So we can introduce a fish into a prepared aquarium. Fish should be buy with a reliable source of better from the breeding. Well spread fin, plump stomach, active no external sign or lesion, parasite are some common sign of healthy fish. On arriving, fish in a jar allowed to float the tank, and in half of half a hour temperature inside and outside will be equal. This is an aquarium with a fish. Covering the aquarium. Covering may be include the label, shape, hood or a glass cover. Should be rises about 8 of inches above the top of the aquarium. It allows for a free circulation of air, escape of poisonous gases, and it protect the fish from excessive dust, smoke, or both, which are the bad for fishes. It help in conserve the water by the preventing evaporation. It prevent the active fish from jumping out and small fishes from being noised out by bigger fish. Artificial aeration. Artificial aeration is necessary for an aquarium organism. Generally, the airstone aerator of a different size and shape are used in an aquarium for aeration. The shower the flow of water, the smaller bubbles and the more oxygen can be absorbed by the water. Artificial aeration should be derived and thus atmospheric air into a water through the narrow tube, at the end of which a small porous stone diffuse break up the air into a small bubbles. Filtration. The fecal matter and the water waste sediment must be removed from the aquarium. For this reason, filtration is necessary. Some filtration system filter with the biofilter. Thank you.